Look, Cricket's doing magic. Spin it upside down. What you guys know about that? I don't know what's going on, but no, he's hanging from a web. He is literally hung by one strand of web. He was going a minute ago. He was hauling ass, going in circles. It's funny. Come on. I mean, he was getting it. Like, he was going around fast. It sucks. I just wanted to share a quick little video of this guy spinning in circles. Thought it was pretty funny. And he can't get out to save his life. There he goes. That's funny. Alright, YouTube, thanks for watching.